Welcome to the Professionalist Real Estate Investing Podcast with your host, Tony Jacobs. This podcast is not just about making money. It's about creating a legacy that stands the test of time. From analyzing market trends to mastering negotiation skills, we will leave no stone unturned as we guide you through different stages of real estate investing. We will bring on industry leaders and share stories from the good, the bad, and the downright ugly. So now, it's time to level up your real estate game. And there's no better way to do it than right here with us at the Professionalist Real Estate Investing Podcast.
Welcome to the Professionalist Real Estate Investing Podcast. I'm with my guy, Mr. Marcus Harvey from Property Relief LLC. How you doing today, Marcus?
I'm doing fantastic. Fantastic. How you doing today?
Oh, I'm doing great. Doing great. We have another episode right here. I got the title as What's Really Going On in 2025 with the Real Estate Market Industry.
Yep.
We're halfway through this year already, and it looks like, especially with the interest rate, not much activity. I tell people that it's not going to be like it was when the COVID era was, when people were getting that 2% interest rate.
Right. Yeah, that's not going to be around anytime soon.
That was a chance of a lifetime. That don't happen too. So let's get started. So what does this mean for investors? It means your debt service is higher, cash flow margin are thinner, and competition has shifted.
Mm-hmm.
It's definitely shifted in a lot of ways and directions. How do you feel about that part right there? Because me and you've been talking a lot about, especially economy, especially nowadays, especially with investors.
Yeah. With the interest rate where it is right now, I just think that like the way the market is, the way it's been shifting just over the last 2 years, and this new administration, I'm hoping that it gets better. I'm hoping the rates get better. I'm hoping Trump turns some stuff around in real estate to where it makes it more beneficial for buyers on the retail side and on the investing side.
Yes, me too. Because right now, it's like everything's at like a standstill right now, so to speak.
Yeah.
So these are the things not to do in this market. And this first one, focusing on appreciation instead of cash flow.
Right.
It's like, this is not the time to gamble on the market growth. Buy for income. If it appreciates, great, but don't bank on it.
Right. Don't bank on it. Don't get your hopes up. You have to be able to. You have to be able to come up with like different strategies and different just options. Right now, you have to be like kind of versatile right now.
And the second one, waiting on the sidelines indefinitely. That's a lot of people just waiting on the sidelines.
Yeah.
Why? Because they want that interest rate like it was about 5 years ago.
Yeah. I don't think you should wait because interest rates are going to be what it is. So you got to just make sure your numbers are right and you got to use the right strategy.
Yeah. Just like I said, smart investors move now with the right structure. As long as you got the structure, you got that structure right. I mean, you were talking about earlier.
Yeah.
Make sure the numbers are right.
Yeah.
Because everybody's numbers are different.
Yeah. There's different areas, different price points and stuff. So you have to adjust accordingly. You have to be able to just make sure when you're trying to buy something, using the right strategy, making sure you qualify and are in the right price point, and know what you're doing. Just really know what you're doing. The economy is shaky right now.
Yes, it is. Number 3 says buying deals that only make sense at lower rates. Man, this is a good one too. It says, well, if the price rates drop, this will cash flow. No, make it work at today's rates or past.
Right.
Yeah, because if you don't, like the number 2 said, you're going to be waiting on the sidelines then for the right time then.
Right. Yeah, you have to buy right, they call it. You make your money on the buy. So if you're investing and you're trying to buy deals, make it make sense. It's just with real estate, it's so up and down. The market changes. The interest rate's been changing like throughout the years. Not this year. Unfortunately, we've only had one cut. so
Yeah,
far?
just one cut.
Just one. Yeah. So.
And they already predicted that we wasn't going to have much cuts anyway. That's why I told people.
Yep.
People come to me and ask, like, what's the interest rate going to be? I'm like, it's not going to be much movement.
Nah. They're messing around and they're trying to figure out like with these wars and stuff. It all comes together.
Yes, it
It
does.
all comes together. So, yeah, buying deals that only make sense at lower rates. You have to be able to just get the best rate that you possibly can, based, I guess, on your credit or based on the asset, depending on how you're buying, and just you know, because waiting on the sidelines, you're gonna miss out on deals all day.
Oh, all day.
So the numbers got to be right.
Yes. The next one, over leveraging. It says adjustable rate loans, interest only balloons, and high risk leverage will burn you if things shift again. Stay lean, stay
liquid. Yeah.
Yes, indeed. That's what you definitely want right there. Don't over leverage.
No, you don't want to be over leveraged and put yourself out the game because of those factors like adjustable rates and interest only, and just leveraging high risk anything. You don't want to do that in this economy with real estate, especially with real estate. Just you know, be able to have as much cash on hand so you can buy deals, and if not, know someone that does and partner up with them, and just stay lean with it. Cut off any unnecessary fat that's not necessary. Keep the projects nice and clean, whatever it is you're investing in. So
that's just the next one, number 5, Boeing Solo. It's like this market rewards partnerships, creative deal making, and shared risk. Don't try to do everything yourself. Right. And that's so true because there's a lot of people who get in this and they don't know what to do.
Yeah,
they don't know what direction to go to as into any type of the overall real estate investing. So it's good. It's good to ask questions. Good to talk to people. Mingle with people who are dealt with real estate investing.
Yeah, birds of a feather. Just talk to those folks, get to know them, get to know what they do and what they can offer them, and what you can offer them and what they can possibly offer you.
Yes, yes, indeed. Then let's just switch it over. 5 key strategies of winning in 2025.
Yeah.
The number one thing is, and I just think of PACE, the creative finance.
Yeah, shout out to Pace Morby one time.
All day, all the time. And the thing about PACE is he breaks it down for you how to do creative financing. And creative financing is nothing new. It's just a strategy that has never been used upon a lot.
Right. It hasn't been one of those things where people put it out there in the forefront of, hey, try these different creative financing strategies to help you invest better, but I've heard about them from years, from not just from Pace, but from other real estate mentors and other folks that are involved in real estate. So
what gets me too is with the creative financing is a lot of real estate agents don't even know about creative financing.
No. And it's so crazy how you can become a real estate broker or agent, get your license, and then not what do you call it? Educate,
yes.
Not educate yourself on the investing side.
Yeah.
That's just weird to me.
Yeah, because it's crazy. So it's like you heard of subject 2, seller financing, lease options, but in 2025, this is going to the mainstream, which it has a lot. A lot of people are on board about the creative financing.
Yes, with seller financing, subject 2, lease options, everything. All the creative financing strategies you can think of.
Yeah, it's learn how to acquire properties by retaking over existing financing, offering seller carrybacks or negotiation creative terms.
Right.
And the thing about creative financing, a lot of people don't know is it's not dealt with the bank. It's not dealt with the loan. All the banks and the loans, all they want is their money. But if somebody, that's where it helps out with you're talking about with foreclosure, foreclosures.
Yeah.
Creative financing is at its best when it comes to those situations with them.
Yeah. I agree totally, because with creative financing, not having to deal with the banks and not have to go through the banks to get qualified and all that, just makes the process so much easier when you're dealing with sellers and buyers and trying to get a deal accomplished and get closed,
Yes. That's strategy number one, creative financing. Number two, invest in emerging cash flow markets.
Yep.
So I haven't been there, but I would love to go to San Diego, but that's not a market that it's not going to prosper like you would like the Midwest. This is Birmingham, Alabama, Columbus, Ohio, Tulsa, Oklahoma.
Yes. Yep.
Augusta, Georgia. Those areas, especially so like the Midwest and the South, that's where the markets where you're going to do better cash flow in those markets.
Yeah, that Southeast region, and those southern states and stuff.
Yes,
definitely be able to cash flow good right now.
Way better than a lot of markets here in California. Because right here, I tell people who live here in California, if you invest, make sure those numbers are right. But if you want to invest and you want to partner with somebody in the Midwest or the South.
Right. Yep. Partner up with them and make it beneficial for yourself. Make it worth it.
Yes. It says that you look at the population growth, you look at the landlord-friendly laws, because those ones right there, that's the ones you want right there. That's where you're going to get the money that you put in.
Yeah.
That's what you're going to receive come back even more.
Exactly.
And then number 3 strategy, home hack or co-living models. It says for new investors, this is still the best way to get in. Live in one unit, rent the rest, or turn your home into income with furnished or co-living setups.
Yep.
Like the bonus part of it, you can use owner-occupant financing for lower down payments.
Right.
That's a great strategy right there.
That is a perfect beginning strategy when you get into real estate, house hacking, along with wholesaling, house hacking / co-living. That's just one of the entryways, along with wholesaling and a little bit of creative finance that you could get into real estate. It's a good strategy. I definitely will recommend it because it's just a low barrier entry to get in.
Yeah, and I know like the live in one unit, a lot of people use that when it comes to the plexes, the triplex or the fourplex.
Yeah, the 2s, 3s, and 4s. Yeah.
They use that when it comes to that because that's so beneficial. Like you stay in it, you're required. Is that with the FHA?
Yeah, I believe the 2 to 4 you can get the FHA loan and still do the house hacking with. Well, I think like with the 2 to 4 units, house hacking would be a lot better because you actually get your own unit. But when you just get a single family with that FHA, then it's pretty much like renting rooms out at that point. So but with this new ADU law thing, you can put ADUs now behind these single family homes. So you can that's another strategy you can use as far as house hacking.
Yeah, I wasn't thinking about that. Me and Rock, we did an episode about the ADU.
I saw that. Yeah,
it's prospering like crazy.
Oh yeah, there's I think specific laws for California,
yes,
than other states to put up these ADUs in the back of these backyards and on these properties, these single family properties.
Yeah, and then I read about it I was listening to a gentleman about it, and he was in Seattle. He was talking about it, and then he was bringing the information that he had here in California, and the ADU. Like, I know a lot of people are doing the best they can with the shortage of homes.
Yeah,
this helps out a whole lot, but we still need a whole lot of help. At least it's something.
Yeah,
at least it's something.
Yeah, it's just the start of the process. I was looking at something yesterday about those ADUs. Some company called Boxable.
Remember yes, I've heard of them.
Yeah,
yes.
Boxable. They're like coming up, and they're these box homes that people are getting to put in their backyards or put on their properties, just in general. And they're just cheap and efficient, and just
nice.
Yeah. I was just looking at a video the other day on it. There's other companies too that do the same, but I don't know if they do what Boxable does. Shout out to Boxable.
Oh yes,
sponsor. No.
Number 4 strategy: partner up for bigger deals. This is I think I can honestly say with real estate, this part right here is my thing because the multifamily you've always talked about that, but it's just higher interest doesn't hurt as bad when you have equity partners, private lenders, syndication structure.
Absolutely.
When you'll have a great team when it comes to assets. Real estate is a team sport.
Yeah.
Now more than ever, if you find the deal, someone else will find it.
Stay with us. We'll be right back.
In the fast-paced world of real estate, success hinges on information. Introducing PropStream, your all-in-one real estate solution. Find properties, analyze markets, and generate leads effortlessly. With PropStream, you're always one step ahead. Access it anytime, anywhere, and watch your business thrive. Don't miss out on the future of real estate. Get started with PropStream today. Visit trial.propstreampro.com/Tony Jacobs for a 7-day free trial and revolutionize your real estate game. PropStream, your key to real estate success. Don't wait. Start now.
We'll find it.
We'll fund it.
Excuse me.
It's all good.
But if you have to know how to
present it,
protect it on both sides, like it's like basically like a family. Like everyone comes together.
Yeah.
You will be up to date on everything that's going on. Why? Because you're a partner.
Communication.
Yeah. Most indeed. Yes. So you need to operate it like it's a business. That's the main thing. Like you if you want to succeed in real estate investing, you need to operate it like it's a business.
Yep. I see how KPIs, a lot of people talk about that on podcasts and stuff, like tracking KPIs, making sure, like you just said, running it like an actual business, making sure you're taking notes and keeping track of everything that comes in from marketing and responses from marketing and just everything. You want to keep good notes and good tracking of everything.
Yes, that's the way to go about it. Like it says, like even make sure you have systems. Stessa is actually a good system to help you with everything that's going on. It's a great tool for investing.
Oh, okay.
I have checked that out, and it's good. And Rent Ready also.
I've heard of Rent Ready. Yeah. I've heard of that.
And a lot of people use the Google Sheets with live dashboards.
Yeah.
But you got to treat it like it's $1 million business because that's what it can become.
Yeah.
Sky's the limit, especially in real estate.
Yeah, just right from the house too, right from a home office. It's possible you can really grow this thing into and scale it to a multi-million-dollar business if you put the right systems in place, connect with the right people, the right network of people, the right partners, and you can really just do this from home, laptop, phone. That's it.
Yeah, I tell you, people, like as long as you speak it into existence.
Yes.
You need to speak into existence exactly what you want.
Yep.
Yeah, there's going to be everything me talked about, like even with this podcast, trial and error. Like I've learned so much, and I'm still learning. Like if I had a mentor to help me, oh Lord, sky's the limit right there.
Oh, it'll get to the point where you'll have the budget to be able to hire a mentor to get you through this podcast world,
Yeah, but you have to run it like a business, and and I tell people you have to love it also.
Yeah, you have to have a love for it and be able to get up every day to enjoy it.
Yes, even though you run it like such as a business, but you still have to have that love. Like sometimes you might need to sit back and just have a reality check with or I call it the moment of truth. Be like, hey, look where I came from and where I started, where I started at, to now where I've come from. Like, that speaks volumes by itself.
Oh yeah, right, exactly.
And then the main key to me, I know definitely in the top 5, definitely with you on this one, is you got to have the mindset.
Yes.
You got to have the mindset. It's the professional mindset shift. You have to have that. If you don't have it, you're not going to make it.
Yeah, you have to I'd say you have to get out of like the mindset. If you're like a hustler by nature, like a good salesperson, and you're a good like hustler out there, meaning hustle up anything, service, product, you have to change even your mindset as being from a good hustler to a professional business person, because you have to learn the rules. You got to learn how how business works eventually, like real business world works, accounting, um, receivables, payables, all that. Just you have to know a little something about it. You don't have to be the super expert. You can hire, but you have to like know something and be professional when you're in business as much as excuse me, as much as possible, and get out of kind of like the hustle mentality of just quick, quick, quick. There's got to be processes set up, and you have to treat it like you just said, just like a business.
Yes. It said this market has created two types of investors: those who froze because it's harder than before, and those who evolved because they realize harder doesn't mean impossible.
Right. Right.
And I'd also say that when it comes to the mind shift, also, it's actually another way of putting it is it's who you around. Like
Yes.
The Bible proverb says, "Bad association spoils useful habits."
That's
So if
true.
you have useful habits and you're around people who don't have useful habits, you're going to become a part of them.
Right.
Like you need to be surrounded by people who have you want that same mindset skill that they have,
Yep.
that they're treating their business such as just like a business,
Right.
and that they love exactly what they're doing. It's not like a 9 to 5 job. Like all right, I'm clocked in. All right, I'm clocked out.
Yes, not like you're sitting there dreading the whole time. Oh, when is this going to be over? Like you wake up excited to do it.
Yeah.
You wake up excited to know, okay, something different is going to happen today. So what's that going to be? You know what I mean? And it's not that just mundane, like you just said, 9 to 5. Let me go to my cubicle. Let me go to my computer, do my normal work, and hopefully just time flies by fast.
Yeah.
You have to be able to enjoy the day.
You do, and it's like I said, it's the love, and also too, I'll put another thing on that too. Is like, and you're helping people. You're helping
Yes.
people live in a place
Yes.
that is going to be suitable for them and their families.
Yeah, solving their problems.
Yes.
Helping solve problems.
Like the more you got to think, it breaks down to if it's meaning you were talking about remodeling homes and stuff. Like people want to be in a nice place. They want to be surrounded in a nice location.
Absolutely.
Like,
Yeah.
and if you're a good person who's an investor, say like you're a landlord and you treat your tenants well, they're not moving.
No,
They're not moving. They know like I'm taken care of. I don't have to worry about anything.
Right.
Like if something breaks down, I can get it done the next day. If not the next day, ASAP.
Right, as soon as possible. Yep. Just make sure you take care of your tenants as good as you want to be taken care of if you were a tenant.
Yes.
So you have to think about those things.
And like I have another. I just been in the Bible mode lately, but
Yeah,
another
it's all good.
proverb is there's more happiness in giving than there is in receiving.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yep.
So like the joy of you helping someone, that's priceless.
Yeah. Yeah. It is really priceless to just be able to serve people in that kind of way, and then it's showing God or whoever you believe in is showing the man of above that you're being of service,
Yes.
and you're doing His work too, helping people, and it's just a good feeling.
Yeah, it is.
It's just a good feeling.
Yes, it is. And it says a professionalist investor doesn't wait for the news to give permission, learns how to create deals, not chase them, has multiple exit strategies,
Yes.
knows that in real estate, your skills are more important than your timing.
Absolutely. I believe that. Yeah.
It says this mindset, this is how you create long-term wealth, period. Which is the truth.
Yeah.
Yeah, because that mindset it's the foundation of everything.
Yeah, it is. It's just it starts in your mind, and you have to like write down your goals to make sure you stay on track, and you have to like be chipping away and making progress at those goals, whether it's real estate, just normal regular business, whatever you're doing. If you're into sports, just gotta have that mindset that you're gonna stay focused and you're gonna get what you want to get accomplished.
Yes, indeed. Yes. Well, and I'll have to end off with this last sentence, which is very good. I had to put besides the professionalist path, it's about using strategy, knowledge, and alignment to build real estate wealth in any market.
Yeah.
And people come to me and ask me, Tony, is this the right time to buy real estate? I said, there's never a wrong time.
Yeah.
As long as the numbers are right, that's
Yeah.
what it comes down to.
Right.
It comes down to your situation as to what you want to do. How many doors do you want? What do you want to do? Do you want to turnkey?
Right.
You want it's just so many different options that you have. It
So
just
many.
pertains to what you want, what's best for your situation.
Yeah. Yeah. It just depends on what you want to get into. And you just have to educate yourself, and you have to know the ins and outs of whatever strategy you're using in real estate, whatever um, um, financing that you want to set up. That's got to just be all lined up and squared away. You got to have everything in its proper place to be able to do this business. But it starts with your mindset. You got to figure out, what you want to do, and then just go from there. And just write down your goals and what you want to accomplish.
Yes. Now, that's the end of this episode right here. But I want to, give some shout outs real quick. I got it.
Oh yeah.
And I showed you. It's like an email, and it was out of our neighboring country, Canada. The Professionals Investing Podcast is ranked very well in Canada.
Yep.
I want to salute, everybody in Canada.
Oh yeah.
A couple people in Canada, but I heard it's a beautiful, beautiful country to be in.
Mm-hmm.
Another thing, got some great reviews from the Apple podcast.
Right.
It's come a long ways, just like with real estate. Like, to start somewhere.
Yeah.
I started this, and this is not about me. It's about the information I bring about and people who I talk to.
Yeah.
Because there's so many different platforms, but you chose to listen to me, and I very much appreciate it. Come a long ways. Yeah.
Yes, it has grown organically from the start, and we just are going to keep on bringing information to you guys. Real estate is what we really mostly talk about on the show, but let us know too if there's a little bit of finance or maybe business you want to touch on as well. And like you said before on other podcasts, this is about the professionalist and being a professional in whatever industry you do. So
even in life,
just,
you know what I mean?
yeah, even in life,
too.
this just happens to be the Professionalist Real Estate Podcast because, we're both interested in real estate. We talk about it, we always discuss it.
Yes.
And that's just what it is right now. So with that being said.
Yeah. Because I know some people ask me, why is it called a professionalist? Well, I wanted a different title that can adapt to anyone.
Yes. Yes.
And so I'm like, this is not about me. It's about who can get the information.
Right.
Who can get the information and who can be honest to give them more information.
Exactly.
Because information is power. Information is power. Yeah. And do it all different facets. So I know I got a couple podcasts of people coming out that I'm working on right now to put out. And I want to salute everybody who has watched me on the Apple, who watched me on YouTube, Apple, Spotify. This week right here alone, I got over 4,000 subscribers.
That is awesome.
Do not take that lightly. I'm going to keep on going and striving. Hopefully get some heavy hitters coming on.
Yeah.
Just talking about.
Yeah, earlier we just need a couple of heavy hitters.
Some heavy hitters.
I mean, I know this is kind of like a beginning kind of podcast on real estate, and we're gathering information and learning as we go, as well as what we already know. But if we can get a heavy hitter that's interested in real estate, that's in the real estate podcast world, that'll be awesome. That would be great to be able to get some knowledge from someone.
Yeah, and if you want to go to professionalistrealestateinvesting.com and just submit your form. That's the website. Just go in there and submit the information, and team, aka me, and whoever it's dealt with, we'll get back in touch with you ASAP, and we'll go from there.
Sounds good.
So yes, please like, subscribe.
Yes.
Anything that you would love to be on the podcast, let us know, and then we'll keep on going further. But yeah, I got a few more coming out with some investors who are deep in the industry of real estate investing.
Nice. Sounds good.
All
Sounds
right.
good.
And on that note, everybody have a blessed day.
Yes,
And
absolutely.
peace.
And hair grease.
Looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate? Let's make it happen together. Are you ready to find your dream home, sell your property for top dollar, or take your first step into real estate investing? Tony Jacobs, a dedicated real estate professional with eXp Realty in Northern California, specializes in helping individuals and families achieve their real estate goals. Whether you're searching for the perfect property, selling your home quickly and efficiently, or building wealth through strategic real estate investments, he is here to guide you every step of the way. With his expertise, market insights, and a tailored approach, he ensures you get the results you deserve. Call today at 530-646-7293 or email me at tjacobsrealestateforyou@gmail.com to schedule your free consultation. Your partner in real estate success, Tony Jacobs. eXp Realty of Northern California Incorporated, DRE number 02110892.